Yummy. You're gonna eat with your fork? Yeah, that's your fork. You're gonna eat with it?
Say fork, Chloe. Say fork.
Why don't you show Nana and your granny how you can eat with the fork? You kind of missed the food there, silly. Yeah, that's the light. I'm gonna talk to it.
Let me hear you talk to you. Let me talk to you. Hey!
Chloe, can you give Daddy a kiss? Aww, sweet. Can you give Daddy another kiss? Aww.
You stink. Oh, you're videotaping it. I thought you were taking a picture.
That's it. My husband just told me I stink on camera.
I was like, you are a lame sauce. Now, if you'll excuse me, I'm gonna go kill a black widow.
We're just kidding, right? We just kidding.
No black widows in our front yard. Right beside our front door.
We just kidding.